Alright guys, check this out. This is a 1979 Corvette Coupe. This vehicle is in really good shape. It's had a lot of work done to it over the years. Has an excellent service history that comes with it. A custom color. It's almost a beige with a gold metallic flake in it when you get really close on it in the sun. Just a gorgeous example of a nice running and driving 79 Corvette. So I'm going to hop in and show you all around it. It does have a replacement 350 engine, Target Master crate engine. Runs very well. It's got power windows, power locks, air conditioning. This interior has definitely been restored. The upholstery work on the seats and the door panels is excellent. Fire it up here for you. Fires up, nice and easy. Power windows work pretty well. Pretty fast. Wipers. There we are. Nice and fast. Pop-up vacuum headlights. Both come up and down strong. Here is your air conditioning and heat. AC's recently been gone through. It's R134A, the newer Freon. Has some new components under the hood. We found a couple of leaks that we fixed, and it is working really well, just like you'd expect. Power locks. On these cars, these power locks typically get gunked up, and the electric actuator just is not strong enough to pull it anymore. On this car, they both do appear to work, which is cool to see. It's a nice feature to have. Obviously, you got tilt wheel, you got telescoping wheel. That's always nice to have. That was pretty much standard by the time these Vettes 1979 came around. Door closes nice. Alright, there you have it. There's your 350 Target Master crate engine. Sounds really good. Kicked on there. Nice and cold in here. Turn it off for now. This is a very well maintained C3 Corvette. See here, newer brake booster, master cylinder. Look how clean it is under the hood here. Just really, really tight. HDI ignition. Back side of the hood too is in good shape. I'm going to close this hood up here. Great body lines on these C3 Corvettes. The front nose here is in good shape. These typically get all cracked up and everything. This one is in really nice shape. daily driver, a weekend cruiser, collectible car. Just a lot you could do with this. Just love this color combo. Love this tan interior. So if you have any more questions, please go to our website. That's carsrememberwhen.com. We'll have about 80 plus high resolution pictures, including pictures of the undercarriage. And if you have any more questions or you want to know the asking price, please scroll down to the link in the description. It'll take you right to the page where this car's at. You find the asking price and the undercarriage photos. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks for watching.